here's a look at the 11 a.m. update from the National Hurricane Center. It has strengthened since this morning. It is still a Category 4 storm, but winds have increased to 140 miles per hour from 130. It's still moving to the north at 6 miles per hour. Here is the latest track from the Hurricane Center, taking it right over western parts of Haiti and eastern Cuba later tonight and into tomorrow as well. Staying a Category 4 storm possibly, then maybe weakening to a Cat 3, but a Cat 3 is still a major hurricane as it moves up through the Bahamas and then eventually curving to the northwest and off to the north again. You'll notice Florida, the western edge of the cone, still over Florida here, which means we could start seeing an impact Wednesday night, but mainly Thursday and Friday. Even if the center of the storm stays offshore, we could still see at least tropical storm conditions in our area on Thursday and Friday. We're going to talk more about that later this half hour. So you can see the warnings in red: Jamaica, eastern Cuba, and Haiti, and up into some of the southern Bahamas as well. And those warnings have been in effect for a little while now. We're also looking at rainfall unrelated to Matthew moving through the area today, and we will continue to see an increase in shower and thunderstorm activity throughout the day today and even tomorrow unrelated to Matthew.